Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading ki Duniya. In this episode, let me bring to you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the trading day 11th April 2022. Before I proceed with my presentation, let me tell my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. And those who are new to Demat account and trading account, so you can open the Demat account or trading account with Upstock, a leading and a trustworthy broker. The accounts are absolutely free of cost, and for those who want to open, I have provided the link of Upstock in the description box. So now let me come to the uh, Nifty Bank levels for the day. So Nifty Bank, as you can see on the screen, now right now it is trading at around at this level it is trading 37,792. So how you should position yourself for Bank Nifty today? So Bank Nifty is slightly above the upper range of the central pivot range. So it is trading in a small range. So the market is continuously trading above 37,751 on Bank Nifty. There is a chance that it can touch the resistance level of 37,985. So that is the first resistance, and the second resistance is placed at around 38,166. As you can see, the central pivot, so central pivot is here marked green color, so 37,699. If it continuously trading below central pivot, and if it comes to a level of 37,648, you can short Bank Nifty for a target of 37,517. So that is the first support. If that support breaks, then we have got the next support at 37,232. So how you should position today? Yeah, since it is in a small trading range, it's better that you take a long position and wait for a target of 37,985. So that is the first target. Second target is 38,166. So that is the Bank Nifty for you today. Now come to the Nifty level. So I'll put Nifty on screen for you. Yeah, so this is Nifty, you can see on the screen. So Nifty is trading below the lower central pivot range. So it is trading below. So Nifty is weaker than the Bank Nifty. So somewhere trading just below. So at around 17,760. Very crucial level. Pivot will be the major resistance. So that is the first resistance. If it takes out the upper range of the central pivot, that is 17,774, you can buy Nifty for a target of 17,894. But be very cautious on Nifty because it is trading below the central pivot range. So if it continuously trading below 17,716, you can place a short trade for a target of 17,654. That's the first target. It's the first target, and you can wait for even a second target of around 17,508. So on Nifty is weak compared to Bank Nifty. So therefore it is better that you sell Nifty on every rise. Okay, so that is the Nifty for you for the day. So now let me come to the third important aspect. So that is open interest live positions and also change in the open interest. So I'll present you on the screen. Yeah. So now here you can see the open interest positions. So Nifty, you can see very high call positions are at 18,000. So big tower you can see. Yeah, and then the very high put positions are around 17,700. So for this expiry, the range will be between 17,700 to 18,000. So 18,000 will be a major resistance, and next major resistance is 17,800. So firstly, the market may trade between 17,700 to 17,800. If it takes out 17,800, then the next level is 18,000. Put positions are slightly lower than the call positions. Now what happened during the day? Change in the open interest positions. So I'll come to it. Yeah. So what is the change you can observe? So highest change that has taken place is people have added positions. So 18,000 call is being added, which is going to be a very stiff resistance. 18,000. And even 17,800 call also is added. Yeah, during the day, right now. And even 17,700 also is added. 17,700 level may not hold. And now 17,714. So there is less likely that level will hold. Now people have written 17,700 put, and the next put level is 17,550. So 17,550 and 17,700. So these are the major support levels. So that is the Nifty open interest change positions. So now let me come to the FII data from the National Stock Exchange. Okay, what is the FII data indicating? So this is the uh, data for 8th April, and we had the weekend holidays. So 8th April, we can see, yeah, FIs were sellers and DIs also were sellers, but marginal. So we cannot draw any conclusion from that. Now let me come to the last aspect in this. So that is very, very important. I'll give you uh, client-wise positions. Client-wise positions are very, very important. Yeah, they indicate how market is going to shape. Now, firstly, let me come to, yeah. So you can see FIs marked yellow. FIs, they have index long positions. So let me mark it. See FIs. Okay, FIs are index long compared to the short. But FIs have option net index put long. So index they are carrying long and they are long in put. Okay, so they are hedging their index using a put. So that is the FII positions. Now, what about the DIs hardly have much positions. So retail clients you can see. Retail clients are almost neutral. So they are long in put as well as they are long in call, but slightly higher on the call side. So the market falling will be a greater probability. Now let me come to the uh, pros, professional traders. So I am marked with the blue color. So you can see professionals, they are almost neutral. They have some call short positions, which indicates that market is not going to go higher. So that is the derivative position client wise. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you.